This is Dr. Divina Avarilla. Here's one of my quick tips. Hi, my tips for you in finding a good medical spa is that make sure that there's a qualified, board-certified medical practitioner, like doctors, that do the procedures themselves and evaluate you properly. A lot of medical spas out there have really lower prices, and it's not even a doctor doing the procedure itself, so that when there's complications, they don't even know what to do. So it's very important for us to really realize that there's a good medical doctor around just in case something happens. It's not because of the prices only, but you have to really look into what's the qualification of that doctor and what are their skills. I find that the most common mistakes people do is that they look at the prices and see which one is cheaper. And so they'll end up with just somebody trained in the street doing the procedure and then ending up with complications. Most of them I see here in my clinic, and I correct those complications, something we really don't want to have. So when you're looking for a medical spa, please make sure that there's a medical doctor on site that will help you and explain to you everything, and that if there's anything like complications that arise, that doctor is available for you right away. I also do mesotherapy. Mesotherapy are bunches of injections onto the abdomen or to wherever area you would like to lose fat. Now, it's not a magic procedure. It takes a long time to really reduce all those fats and shrink the fat cells. So normally, about 3 to 4 treatments is needed before you see absolute result. It doesn't really have any downtime to it. It's a very easy procedure. You go home with ice. We try to advise you to avoid any blood thinners or aspirin before the procedure. We do a pre-evaluation and see and weigh you and measure you before the injections. Mesotherapy is not invasive as compared to liposuction. Mesotherapy, although it's very conservative, people prefer it for people with allergies to anesthesia and cannot undergo liposuction. So if you have any fat you want to get rid of and you don't want any surgical procedure which is drastic like liposuction, then you're more than welcome to come in here and be evaluated for possible mesotherapy. Right now, we're doing medical microdermabrasion. What it is that we use glycolic acid pills or any kind of pills that are medically graded, which means the concentration of which is higher than estheticians. After the chemical peel, we abrade the skin with microcrystals and enabling it to have a rejuvenated, youthful, smooth appearance. It's done every 2 weeks. If you have brown spots, acne, and acne scars, it's recommended for you to have a medical microdermabrasion every 2 weeks. It's a combination of the glycolic acid pill as well as the abrasion with the crystals. Microdermabrasion is done every 2 weeks, and usually you see an effect after 2 or 3 treatments. But it is really recommended to do it every 2 weeks until the skin is smooth and radiant. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, come visit our website at lybms.com.